Hello guys, once again with grade 6, lesson 2.4. It's a new lesson about find the percent of a number. Find the percent of a number. I can find the percent of a number by reasoning about percent as a rate of per 100 and by using bar diagrams, ratio tables, equivalent ratios, and double number lines. Okay, let's begin here. The first problem we have here, find the percent of a number. 50 people were surveyed and asked to vote on their favorite flavor of sherbet. The results are shown in the table. Find the number of people who prefer lemon. Here, the table, we have 4 flavor, lemon, 20%, orange, 26%, peach, 14%, watermelon, 40%. Okay, if you add them all, you will get 100%. He asked he asked here for the lemon. If you want to find the lemon uh, out of 50, the total is 50, and the percent of a lemon here is 20. So I have to make 20 over 100. Okay, that's all. 20 over 100 is the percent of the lemon, and 50 is the total number of people. Okay, 50 is the total number of people. And now we are we have to make simplification. For example, simply I can make simplification by canceling 50 with 100. Okay, I can make divide 50 here. It will be 1.
A hundred.
Just a moment. Divided 50 will have 1. Divided 50 here, we have 2. Now we have 20 over 2 multiply 1. 20 over 2 is, 20 over 2 is 10. Multiplying by 1, it's 10 also. So out of 50 people, okay, 10 of them prefer lemon. We can say it's people. That's all. Is it clear? Just a response.
Yes.
Okay. For example, if he asked for the orange, I have to take 26 instead of the 20. When he asked for the peach, I'll take 14, and so on. Sometimes he will ask about 2 flavors. For example, if I ask you how many people prefer lemon or orange, lemon or orange, you have to make addition between 20 and 26, okay, above instead of the 20. That's great. Number 2, the graph shows the type of snacks that students at York Middle School bring with them to school. Suppose there are 300 students. Listen, 300 is a very important number. I have to write it here. The total number of students, okay, at the school. How many of them bring cheese of a snack? Cheese? Okay, we have all snacks here. Fruit, 23%, cheese, 15, veggies, cookies, chips, and so on. He asked for the cheese. The cheese with percent, 15%. Okay, I have to write it here, 15 over also 100. It's usually we use 100 here in the percent. 15 over 100 multiply 300. And now start simplification. I'll pick it up, okay, and write it here and start simplification. The best way for the simplification here is noticing 300 on the line. Notice also 100 down. I can make divide 100. 100 here divided by 100, it's 1. 300 divided by 100, just 3. Is it okay? Now, all we have is 3 multiply 15. Neglect the 1, okay? Just multiply 15 and 3. Okay? 15 multiply 3 is 45, I think. So, how many students here? They are 45 students. Bring cheese for snack. Students. Okay. So easy, I think. Is it okay, Maimuna?
Yes, it's okay.
A new one. Another chart here. Okay, mute, please. I see teacher 23%, other 9%, nurse 13, doctor 13, undecided, and so on. What's the problem? Mute, Maimuna.
Oh,
The graph shows the career interests of the students at Linda's school. Suppose there are 400 students at the school. The total number is very important. I'd like to write it now here. The total number of students is 400. How many of them want to be an athlete? Athlete? What's the percent of the athletes? Oh, it's 12%. So I have to write it here. It's 12, sorry. It's 12 over, also, as usual, it's 100. Okay, and now 12 over 100 multiplied by 400. Okay. First step is make cancellation also. I have to pick it up and start writing here. Okay, sorry. Here we have, sorry for this. Here we have it. 12 over 100 multiply 400. I see 400. I see down 100. Okay, 400 here, 100 here. I can make division. 400 divided by 100. 400 divided by 100, just 4. Just 4. So it's 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied 4 is 48. So 48 students would like to be athlete. 48 students. Must write it, in fact. Is it student, people, and so on? Okay. Just a response. Is it clear, or repeat it again?
it's clear.
Okay. You're gonna help here. Okay. Mute now, still reading the problem. You can open your mic and read the problem. Slow, calm down, slow.
Okay. The graph shows the favorite activities of campers at a summer camp. Suppose there are 300 campers at the camp.
Stop.
The
How many?
campers favorite fish.
How many
300.
Hey, Maimuna, wait. How many campers?
300.
Okay, should I write it here
Yeah.
to be ready? Okay, go on.
300 campers at the camp. How many campers are favorite fishing?
Fishing. He asked for fishing. What is the percent of the fishing?
Fishing is 14%.
Okay, so it's 14 over 100.
Yeah.
Okay, how can you start simplification?
Um, I think we should cancel divide it.
Yeah, divide what?
Divide 300 and 100.
So, okay, bravo, very good. 300 divided 100, okay, 300 divided 100 is 3. 100 divided 100, mute memory, mute. It's just 1, okay? Uh, just calculate it and tell me the final result. 14 times 3. What is it? Calculate it, please. Hmm. Waiting for Maimuna for the final result, the product of 14 and 3. It's easy.
42.
Yes,
42.
bravo, excellent. You are excellent. 42, 42 campers. Okay, next one. We have many problems here, okay, concerning the percent. Okay, mute, please. When you finish answering, mute. Just a moment. Okay, here we have 60 problems from 3 to 8. Use any method to find the percent of each number. And the first one, 15% of 15% of 240. I have to write 240 here as usual. Okay, and the percent is 15%. It's 15 over what 100. Okay, now making simplification. Anyway, you can do it with any method you would like. Okay, for example, here I have it, for example, removing 0 here, up, and another 0 down. Okay, divided by 5 here, it's 2. Divided by 5 up, it's 3. Dividing by 2 here, it's 1. Dividing by 2 here, I think 12. So all I have now is Maimuna. 3 by 12 equals 30. What? Maimuna will open mic and tell us.
Mr. 3 by 2, 3 times 12, right?
Yeah. 3 times 12. 3 times 12. Mhm. 37.
It's 86.
Yes, bravo. 36. Okay, going to mute. Going to second one. 65% of 180. 65% of 180. So the ratio or percent is 65, 65 over 100. And 180 is here. 180. Okay. Make simplification. First step, can you share Maimuna? How would you like to make simplification? Open your mic and answer, please.
So I want to divide that 180 with 100 first.
180.
Divided by 100.
You mean canceling 0 up and down
Yeah.
this way? Okay. Then
65 times
5. Okay, mute Maimuna. I'll tell you. We have here in the fraction 65 over 10. It's better to make divided 5. 10 divided 5, it's 2. 65 divided 5, it's 13. Take your time. Once again, we have 2 here and 18, 18 above. I can make divide 2. 2 divide 2 is 1. Sorry, it's 1. And 18 divide 2 is 9. Okay, all we have here is 13 times 9. Please calculate it and tell me. Try to hurry up, please. 13 times 9. 100 and 100 and waiting for you. Maimuna finished?
Mister,
Yes.
for uh, for 65 times 18, I got 1090.
It's a 13 times 9.
13 times 9?
Yeah, 117. Okay, no problem. It's okay. You went to where? I don't know.
I know, I was when I took out the 0.
No, I canceled. First, I canceled 0 with 0 and divided by 5, up and down, and so on. No problem. You please. Uh, the ratio here is 250%. 250%, 200 over, 250 over 100 of 82. 82. Now, start simplification. Okay, I can make simplification very easy here. Up, we have 0, remove it, but remove also 0 from down. Dividing by 5 here, it's 2. Dividing by 5 up, it will be 5. Once again, dividing by 2, it's 1. Dividing by 2, it's 41, right? Now, okay. Your turn, Baba. Multiply, please. 41 multiply 5. 41 times 5. When you finish, tell me, please. It's 200 and what? Waiting for you.
5 times 41, right?
5 times 41. 5 times 41. It's so easy. 1 times 5, 4 times 5. Multiplication starts from right.
205.
205. Yes. Bravo. 205. That's all. New problem. New, please. Uh, Here we have 150% of 44. 150% of 44. 44. It's okay. Now start simplification. First, I love zeros. For example, here I have 0 up, remove it. 0 here, remove it. That means I divide it by 10. Between 15 and the 10, we have 5 as common factor. Okay, dividing by 5 here, 2 is left. Dividing by 5 here, it's 3. Once again, we have a common factor between 2 and 44. So, dividing by 2 here, it's 1. Dividing by 2 here is 22. And now, all we have is 3 times 22. I don't care by the denominator if it's 1. Don't care about it. You can remove it. You can consider that the whole fraction is just 3. Maimuna calculated and tell me.
3.
Okay, take your time.
It's 66.
Very good. Okay, once again, this is your problem. And all we have here is, oh, it's a 0.15, okay, percent. My gosh, over 100. Okay, this way. Of 350. 350. Do you like to share if there is no noise there?
I think we need to cancel the all the zeros.
Yes, but you know, I don't have, I shouldn't go until removing the decimal point from here. I don't like it. I'd like to ask you, oi, mute, mute. I'd like to remove this 0 point from here. If you would like to remove it, you have to add 2 zeros, okay? Once again, we have point here, it's okay. After the point, we have 1, 2 numbers, 2 digits, okay? If you would like to remove it, it's okay, but under a condition. The condition is adding 2 zeros down. Okay, it's easy now, I think. Start first, removing 0 up and 0 down. Okay, then divided by 5. Uh, no problem, no need in fact. Please help multiply 15 and 35. Okay, finish it and tell me. 35 times 15. What is it? 35 times 15. Finish?
I got 550.
500,
50.
550,
Yeah.
five, no, 525. Something, okay, mute. Something went wrong there. Okay, no problem. It's 525 over 1000. Okay, this way. Okay, uh, if you would like to write it as a decimal, it's okay. It will be better for me. I love decimal. For example, here we have, I said 525, but we have 1000 down. We have 1000 here, right? So I can make it like this, just moving the point from here, 1, 2, 3 steps, putting the point, but don't forget also to put the 0. I wrote it as a decimal, okay? He asked here, use any method to find the percent of each number. Uh, about the result, he didn't ask for a fraction or as a decimal, so use any strategy and write the result in any form. Decimal is okay, fraction is okay also, but take care. If you're gonna write it as fraction, you have to make it in the simplest form. If you have any common factor between numerator and denominator, you have to remove it. Okay, okay. Now, last one here, it's 0.4, 0.4% over 100 also. Same way. Of 168, okay, we can make here. To multiply 168 by this fraction, I have to simplify it first. Something else here, I don't like it. Yes, the point. I have to remove it. After the point, we have just one digit. If you remove the point, okay, you have to add 10 down, okay? And what about this 0? I don't like it, in fact. So it's easier now, okay? I am going here to write it something over 1000, okay? But above, we have to find the result of 4 times 168. 4 times 168, okay? You will find it, 672, okay? 672. So, as fraction, that's it. Do you like to write it as decimal or fraction? Maimuna, tell me. The result, fraction or decimal?
Um,
Mm,
that's
decimal? It's okay. I'll pick up, okay? Okay, mute. Uh, the number here is 672 over 1000. It's okay. I'll take it, okay, and write it here. To divide by 1000, suppose we have a point here, okay? No, I have to remove 1, 2, 3 places and put the point and also put a 0. That's all. Why 3 places? Because 1000, it has 3 zeros. It has 3 zeros. Moving forward. Once again, number 10, students were asked which night they planned on going to school festival. The results of the survey are shown in the table. I see the table here, night Friday or Saturday. Number of students, 550, 480, and so on. The results of the survey are shown in the table. If 18% of the students didn't go on Friday, okay, and 15% of the students didn't go on Saturday, how many more students went on, okay, Friday than on Saturday? I'd like to calculate each one of them. I mean here, for Friday, okay, Friday, uh, Friday, it's 18%. It's 18%, like this, 18 over 100 also, as usual. Okay, the total number of Friday students is 550. 550. For Saturday, we have the percentage is 15%, 15%, 15 over 100, multiply total number of Saturday, it's 480, 480. And start simplification, okay? As usual here, removing one, no need. First step, removing 0 up, 0 down. Okay, divided by 5, it's 2. Up, divided by 5, it's 11. Again, divided by 2, it's 1. Going up, and divided by 2, it's 9. All I have here is 9 times 11. It is 99. For Saturday, 99 students for sure. 99 students. For Saturday, uh, we have 0. Yes, remove it. Remove 0 down. Divided by 5, it's 2. Divided by 5 is 3. Divided by 2, it's 1. Divided by 2, it's 4. Now multiplying 3 and 24, you will get 72. 72 students also. Number 11. Number 11. Here in the table, I love to go to the problem direct to the table. Event and number of students. There are 120 students, football game, 95 students, gym meet, 80 students, volleyball. Okay, what's your problem? Students were surveyed about which school athletic event they were planning to attend this week. Of the students who said they were going to football game, 25% didn't attend. Okay, once again, of the students who said they were going to the football, how many? 120 of the football. Okay, 25% didn't attend. Of the students who stated they were going to the volleyball, the last one, okay, 20 didn't attend. How many more students went to the football game than the volley game? We have to make a comparison here. First of all, calculating, he asked 25 didn't. 25 didn't from the football game. Okay. About football, football. 25%, okay, not attended. Not attended. Okay, so it means 75 attended. Okay, 75 attended. I love this way because in the end of the problem, he asked for how many more students went, but here he's talking about not attend. Okay, went to the football games and the volleyball. I'll make I'll make comparison between football and the volley. For the football, 75% attended, okay, and number of footballs is 120. Okay, same way, we are going to make simplification. Okay, I'll keep it here because you have to revise it. It's better, I think. Football, football. Okay, first step, remove 0. Go down and remove 0. Dividing by 2, it's 5. Dividing by 2 here, it's 6. Dividing by 5, it's 1. Dividing by 5, it's 1. And carry up 2. 25 divided by 5, okay, it's 5. So all I have is 15 times 6. 15 times 6 is 90. Going there to the volleyball. Volleyball, volleyball. Okay, so large. It's so large here. Okay, showing it. Volley, volley, volley. No need to write the whole word. Okay, keep your time. Save your time. For the volley, he asked, he told us 20% didn't attend. 20, 100 minus 20 is 80, right? It's 80. So 80 attend. 20 didn't attend. So 80 attend. The percent of attend is 80%. And for the volleyball, the total number of students is 80. So I have to write 80 here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Copy and paste. Sorry. Start simplification. Start simplification. Once again, up, remove 0. Down, remove 0. Divide, sorry, 0 again, remove, 0 up, remove. Wow, we have only 8 times 8. It's 64. So the problem again, how many more students went to football